Well, I had to take the harness back off because it wouldn't, these big clips would not fit through that little hole. So I figured I gotta route it through in here, and then it'll get all into the engine bay. Which I got some coming through. I'll pull it all through here, and that way the computer and everything's inside the car. It's hard. It's a big, it's a pain. So I gotta push so much through, and then I gotta go, because I don't have no help right now. And then I gotta go pull some through. Just gotta be careful.